made it to Linate Milano airport, and my friend just landed, so hopefully she will be here anytime soon, and then we will pack our thing. Hopefully we will fit on the motorcycle, and then we will leave the city quick. My friend is here, she arrived, and now we're gonna see if all that luggage will fit on the motorcycle. Otherwise we have to throw away some of my shit. Me and Sophie has driven for some hours, and we are outside of Asti in Italy. And it's very beautiful and very warm. But I'm so glad that we are outside the big towns. Milano went better than expected, but it's still very hard when you are sweaty and you have a big luggage behind you. But yeah, everything worked out fine, and we are pretty close to a camping now. GPS says we're gonna be there in 8 minutes. So we're gonna camp the first night. I hope it's gonna be warm. It is now, at least, but the nights can become very cold. But this is some beautiful view. Asti, isn't that like a bubble wine of its own kind? Not champagne, of course, because we are not in Champagne, we are in Asti, and I think the name is Asti, but I'm not sure. This is like a little valley down here. I like it. Hello. It's Sophie who is recording now, but I guess you could figure that out. Little Italian village. It looks pretty modern compared to the other small towns we've been driving through today. Yep. Is it a train coming? Where are we?
France!
We are in France and the Alps again. We just crossed the border between Italy and France, and it's as usual very hot. Sophie knows how hot.
I think it's 29 or 27 in the shade.
Feels like 35.
Yeah, I saw like a temperature, it was 39 in the sun, I think.
Phew. Phew. But we will go on a bit further. Let's see where the road will take us.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Okay, so we are in the mountains in France, about 2.5 hours from Cannes. So we haven't decided yet if we're gonna go there today or tomorrow. We will drive first like 50 more minutes and then we will decide. As Sophie said before, it's easy to say, before when we had 3 hours to Cannes, it's easy to say now that but let's do it. But it's when you're getting tired so quick. It's hard to know how you will feel in 1 hour, just 1 hour away. So we're taking it as it comes. Here is kinda good, but I have to focus on the road. That's what I'm preferring, at least. We just drove past some olive trees. We are very close to the Mediterranean now, the closest I've been on this trip, and we're heading to it. I really miss the ocean. I haven't seen it since we were between Sweden and Germany on the ferry, so it's time. It really is time. Nose. I don't have any sun cream on it. Do you say sun cream? Sounds weird, but yeah, sun protection, maybe you say, on my nose, so it's probably burnt out. That was not the best corner by me. I'm sorry. We have an apartment in Cannes, and yeah, we are in Cannes obviously, and we drove a lot today, so it's awesome, and we're gonna spend 3 nights here. I'm gonna rest, I'm gonna bath in the ocean, swim in the ocean, and Sophie just made food or snack.
Yeah, it's Spanish or Italian maybe. I don't know.
Italian, I would say.
Okay.
But we are in France.